doing? Good drive?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Roads are a bit greasy, but it's all good.
So we're off out on a ride today. We have 3 bikes with us. Jonathan, what have you got?
What have I got? Well, I've got a Kymco. It's a 360 DTX. Obviously twist and go. It's really actually a particularly nice machine to ride. Ever such a comfortable machine. Massive seat, really, really comfy seat. That's something I can't stress enough. It will comfortably keep up with traffic without any problem whatsoever. It pulls really nicely. It's got good fuel rate. There's loads of storage underneath the seat.
And in the middle we have Simon. Simon, what are you riding?
I am on Yamaha's Niken GT, the rather unconventional 3-wheel bike. I've ridden this for a month and a half or so now, and hopefully I've got it until about the end of the year. It's my long-term bike for this year. Absolutely incredible bike. Love the simplest little things they do, like the moving windshield with just one hand. Do also actually love that extra wheel, because at the end of the day you have so much more grip on the front end, and there is full-size panniers on the back, so you do have quite a lot of storage. Fantastic bike so far, and it's the 890.
And then our third and final bike is over to Mark.
Hi, this is a 2019 CFMOTO 650MT. This is actually my bike. It's a nice budget tourer. I got this about 2,000 miles on the clock. Cost me about £3.5 grand. It's got everything on it. It's really comfortable. It's rocking full Bosch electronics. Super comfy. And yeah, I think it's a really good bike.
Kirkby Green is a small village in the North Kesteven district of Lincolnshire. The village lies east from Scotwick on the B1191 road to Timberland, 10 miles southeast from the city of Lincoln, 6.5 miles southwest from Woodall Spa and north from Sleaford. Kirkby Green was formerly a civil parish until 1931, when it became part of the parish of Scotwick. At the eastern end of the village, there's a level crossing where the road crosses the Peterborough to Lincoln line, formerly the site of Scotwick and Timberland railway station, as well as the beautiful surrounding scenery and of course the ford. There's a hidden gem in this sleepy village. There's a private 10.25 inch gauge railway line that runs a handful of times a year on Sundays and bank holiday Mondays. It boasts a good variety of locomotives and rolling stock to look around, and the track itself goes on and on over the stream that powers the watermill and through lots of woodland. It's got plenty to look at, and it's well worth doing that circuit a fair few times. There is a full-size railway carriage on site that's now a tea room. It's worth a trip out.
quite deep. That was quite a deep one.
Yeah.
Walcott is a village and civil parish also in the North Kesteven district of Lincolnshire. It lies a mile west from the A15, 7 miles south from Sleaford, 9 miles east from Grantham and 1 mile north from Folkestone. And it's not to be confused with 2 more Walcotts also in Lincolnshire. Now Walcott is a probable site of prehistoric or Roman settlement. Earthworks indicate ditched enclosures and circular dwellings have been found, evidenced through crop marks and aerial photographs. Medieval ridge and furrow field systems have also been recorded. Now in the Domesday Book of 1086, the village is written as Walcott. It has been noted that the village contained springs of very pure water, and they were formerly noted for medicinal virtues. But for whatever reason, the village has lost this reputation for the springs many years ago. And of course, don't forget the ford. Nettleham and its wonderfully picturesque ford is a large village and civil parish within the West Lindsey district of Lincolnshire, 4 miles northeast from the city of Lincoln itself, between the A46 and the A158. Now Nettleham has won the Best Kept Village Award several times, and the centre of the village is actually a conservation area. The parish church of All Saints dates from the Saxon period, with medieval and 19th century additions. Within the church's graveyard is a headstone in memory of Thomas Gardiner, a postboy murdered hereabouts by 2 highway robbers in January 1733. The inscription on the gravestone declares he was barbarously murdered, aged just 19. The robbers, 2 brothers by the name of Hallam, committed other murders near Foldingworth before being arrested. They were convicted of murder at Lincoln and executed at the site of their crimes. Nettleham is also the location of the Lincolnshire Police Headquarters to the west of the village near the A46, and this was opened by the Queen in 1980. So we're just drying out after a little bit of water sports here.
We love a bit of water sports at MoreBikes.
Fill your boots.
Yeah,
I think you already have, haven't you?
That one's full. That one's not.
So the problem has been with this one in Nettleham is that we've got a lot of algae on the bottom of the concrete here. A lot of algae. It's pretty cool though, because you can actually go on the other side of that bridge and just travel down the ford, and beyond the concrete we've just got stones, so you could actually do that.